I recently purchased the Zoom H5 recorder and I noticed that I need a stand somewhere to mount it. I have a small spider stand, but I have a lot of normal microphone stands for mics like this that have an adapter that tilts. So I thought I'd print an adapter that would be mic shaped and have this 1/4 of an inch screw mount on top of it. I thought I'd show you the whole process from designing to drawing it to actually printing it and then putting it together. Okay, let's take some measurements. Let's put this tightly in there and we can see that we're working in millimeters, metric. Let's see, let's say that it's 55. Let's make it 60. It's gonna be 60 long. Let's draw it down. So this is gonna be 60. Let's make it the same shape as the mic. This end is, let's say it's 23.5. 23.5. Like that. And let's take the measurement from 60 millimeters thickness. It's right around there. Let's say it's 29. 29. Like this. So it's gonna be this shape and have the hexagonal hole on top of it so that I can put this inside. Okay, let's start drawing. I have a new document in Fusion open and let's start with a sketch on, say, this plane. Let's make a circle and this is gonna be kind of the bottom, the end that doesn't have the screw on it. Just like that. Then let's make an offset plane. We are going to make it at 60 millimeters. No, let's put -60, let's put it this way. Let's make a new sketch, C for circle. This is gonna be the other end, so that was 29. Stop sketch, like that. Okay, at this point, this end is going, let's see. Okay, let's make the shape at this point. Create loft like that. I'm gonna loft these two parts now so that it's gonna be straight and not round here in between. And then I'm going to, let's make a little extension. Just a new plane. Let's make it 8 millimeters. Let's put a circle in there too. Let it be the same size. Let's try create loft like that. That looks pretty nice. Okay, then it's time to, let's actually edit this sketch. I'm going to use the same plane. Let's make the hole for the bolt. Let's just make a polygon there. D for dimension. And this was 11. Let's add a constraint, horizontal, vertical. Now it's defined, it turned black. And then one more circle for 6.15. This is going to be for the bolt. There you have it. Let's extrude the hole. The total length of the bolt was 42.15. So if I wanted to stick 8 millimeters out from here, it's gonna be 34.15. So I'm gonna extrude 34.15. There's a hole for the bolt. Let's push Q for push, pull, press, pull. Sketch is off. Now I'm just going to make a little play there so that the bolt, I'm going to print it in ABS, and it's going to shrink a little so that this, at the exact size, the bolt is not going to fit. Minus 0.1, and it's going to be on both sides, so it's 0.2 total. Now the bolt fits in the hole. And then F for fillet, just a small, nice round. I don't want to make it totally round because this end is going to be against the build plate, so it needs something to grip on it. So I think that would be nice. Then let's add a fillet here too. Just a little. It's going to be nice and round. Just like that. Okay. Then let's extrude the filler part and profile plane, offset plane. Let's start it. The thickness of the bolt head was 4.1. So let's start it from 4.1. Offset is going to be 4.1. And then to object here. Then let's see if it works. New body. Let's see what happens. There we have it. Now it's the same size as the hole, and let's do the same thing. Let's put just a little play in there. Q for press pull. Select all these. And minus 0.1. Now it's going to fit in there. And let's put just a little bit there. Minus 0.2. There's going to be glue and stuff there, so 0.3, so that doesn't stick out. Then it's time for the hole. E for extrude. Push it through. Let's make it to object, so through there. There's a hole. Then again, just a little play. Q for press pull. Minus 0.1. So that should fit. There. Then what else? Let's hide these. Let's make a small end cap. Let's make this 1.5 millimeters. Let's join new body. There, now we have a small, nice end cap that covers it. Just a little fillet there, 0.5. Now 1, like that. Okay, I think it's ready. It's time to print. Select that big part. Simplify 3D. We need to flip it over. Option L. no, Command L, sorry. Command L, just select one triangle from here, and it puts that triangle on top against the build plate. A command and mouse, move it. It's nice there. Then the next part, make this part. It's the wrong way around. Yes. Command L, flip it around. Command drag, move it. Make. Now the third part. No, not that one, but that one. No. Let's try again. Make. There. Move it there. Okay, those are the three parts. Okay, let's see my profile, ABS profile, nozzle diameter 0.6. I think it's 0.6. And layer 0.3, infill 15. Filament diameter, that's correct, okay. Prepare to print. Let's see, it's always important to look how it's actually going to print it. This doesn't look too good. It's not filled in properly. I guess that's okay. How about that one? That's okay too. There's a little gap in there, but exit. Let's put a little bit thinner line. See if that works. Manual, if I put 0.6 in there, that helps. And then other. Help at all. Yep, now it looks better. How about this? Even the first layer looks better. Okay, I think that's it. Now let's just save it to card and start printing. Printing time. This is a Lulspot -5 printer with black ABS already in there, and the printer is warmed up. The nozzle is 240 and the bed is 110. Okay, let's start the print. Print from SD, H5 mount. One more click. There. Let's see. Yes, it's drawing a nice line. That's just priming the nozzle. Now for the real print. It's always important to look at the first layer so that it's not totally flat or squashed. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty good. Just a little look. Yes, not too squashed, but squashed enough so that it's going to stick on the build plate. Okay, now let's just wait. It's gonna take an hour or something. Okay, I managed to print these things, and as you can see, it took a few iterations. On this one, it took one. On the first one, the hole was too small. And then on this smaller one, it took actually 4, because the center hole was too small and I didn't make it big enough. And I show you pictures on the screen, hopefully now, how the measurements went and do a dub over, but these inner holes when printing with ABS, you have to leave some relief there, and that's always a little bit of a struggle with this material to make them fit, but luckily now it fits. Now it's just about finding the right version I suppose it's this one. I already screwed it in once. Okay, let's apply some super glue in there. Let's put paper under there. I have 3 different super glues. These are from hobbyking.com. I have a thick one, medium thickness, and then very fluid. And super glue is actually very, very fluid. Much more. It doesn't have the surface tension, so I think I'll take the middle choice in this case. Let's see how this ends up. Just a little drop in there. And then let's screw. Oh crap, I dropped it. Let's just screw it in before it settles. Yes, it's like that. Then I have to align these things like that. Then some more super glue in there, and maybe in there too. Trying to watch my fingers here. I think that'll do it. Let's try to put it in there before it sticks. Like that. Nice and tight. Then these are the rings. The other one was too small again. Let's pick the bigger top ring. Just push it on the top. There. Spread the glue. Getting it on my fingers. I'll take a small vise or something. This wouldn't probably be necessary, but let's put it in there. I think I need another one to make it straight. There's one. I don't want to see that gap in there. This end cap wouldn't be necessary, but I think it just makes it nice and neat. There. Okay, let's leave it there for a second. And voila! Here we have the final product. Here's the adapter. See how you can see it in camera. Came out pretty good. I used pretty thick layer, high layer thickness, because it doesn't have to be so perfect. But I think it turned out pretty nice. Like that. Okay, I'm actually recording the audio with this, so you'll probably hear me handling this microphone or recorder. Let's screw it in like that. Then here we have the mic stand, and we slide it in. It's a pretty snug fit, and I like it that way because I really don't want to drop this. Let's see, now it rolls a little bit. There you go. It holds the position. You can probably hear the handling noise, but don't worry. Probably should get a better mic stand. Okay, it works. I'll upload this to Thingiverse so other people can print it. I think it's a pretty useful tool, and you can mount this thing any way you like. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!